Hi everyone, welcome to the world of digital content creators. In my previous video, I shared information about how to create an animated intro for your YouTube or any business related videos. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an amazing wallpaper on your own. Without using any software, just by PicsArt online platform, you can create an amazing wallpaper for your mobile or your laptop. Before going to the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's go. At first, go to Picsart.com. In Picsart.com, click on Instagram story. If you want to create a stunning wallpaper for your mobile phone, this is the perfect ratio to create a wallpaper for mobile phones. So just click on Instagram story. After opening Instagram story ratio, the editing tool has been appeared. We need to add the background. So just click on texture. As you can see, there are so many textures are available on this platform for completely free. You can select which background you want. You can see there are so many holographic backgrounds available. I will select this holographic background. The holographic background has been applied. You can see this is also a completely beautiful wallpaper. You don't need to edit or do anything. You can make it as your phone wallpaper. You can see here, if you want to add some stickers, if you want to make some animations on this background, you can create it. I will show you. Nowadays Among Us game is on trend. I will create an Among Us wallpaper. I will show you how to add animation. Just go to stickers and search for Among Us or whatever you want to add. I already searched for Among Us. I will apply this sticker. Just click on the sticker which you want to apply. You can see the sticker has been applied. You can place it anywhere and you can resize the sticker also. I will resize the sticker. If you want to add some text, you can see these all are featured stickers on this platform on PicsArt. There are so many stickers available on this platform. I will select this sticker which is on. You can see I will resize it. I will add it to this character's head. And if you want to add some text, you can add some text also. Just select the sticker which you want to add. I will search for Among Us. I will select this imposter. If you want to add some text, you can add your own text here. And if you want to add shapes, you can add shapes. You can see this sticker has been appeared. I will place it on the top. If you want to add more stickers, just go to stickers. I will add this little heart. If you want to add the stickers more times, just select it and click on duplicate. Click on duplicate how much you want. You can add the rose and you can add the sun, whatever you want, without removing any type of background. These stickers are completely free. You can see the Among Us wallpaper has been ready. You can download it without any error. I will place it on the center. If you want to download this image, just click on the download. You can change the quality of the image also. Just click download. The Among Us wallpaper has been completely ready. You can do more customization on this platform. You can change the effects also. If you want to add photos, you can add the photos also. If you want the background as gradient or color, you can change this option also. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment your opinion below. Stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.